Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Sawfingers back with you again with a belated playthrough. I meant to do this a few days ago but I never got round to it. This is the playthrough for Maria Elena from the Indios Tabajaras, which is to go with the two lessons I put on for part 1 and part 2 on the solo part, and also the rhythm section that I've put on as well. Okay, so here we have myself playing all the parts, the two lead parts put together that I'm trying to teach you, and also me playing the rhythm behind myself. Okay, so just to give you an idea what it sounds like when you put it all together. Okay, thanks very much for watching and listening. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.